Hi traders, before we get into today's analysis, I just wanted to give you a personal invitation to my free Forex trading webinars. You can register by using the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you there. Let's now get into the charts. Now the Aussie yen retested 93.03, weekly support last week and held. Only traded in about 150 pip range last week, so this week, once more, do we retest this level? Does it hold a support to move back up once more, or does it break to move lower to the lower level of weekly support at 92.43? Alright traders, on to the Aussie dollar. Now last week we rallied, managed to hold at monthly resistance 64.58 and traded back down to retest 63.86 day support. This week, can we move below that level, come down and challenge the 6300 level, and can we even follow deeper down and test weekly monthly support at 62.72? If 63.86 holds, watch for a rally back up to 64.58 monthly resistance for another test, and can that hold to trade back down? Alright traders, on to Euro Yen. Now finished pretty much at break even last week. We traded up and down, but finishing just below this weekly support resistance level. As we traded back below it, I'm going to consider this now as resistance. So at the start of the week, that's the level to watch, 157.99 weekly resistance. Do we hold at that level, or do we break above? So watch 157.99 at the start of the week to be resistance for a move down. Targeting a test of a 156.86 day support. If we break above, we're probably coming up to retest 159.32 daily resistance. Alright traders, on to Euro Dollar. Declined last week, moved below 108.33 weekly support. That's the level to watch this week. Do we rally back to that level? Does support now become resistance for a further decline to move below 107.78 daily support? Are we going to see a long-term move down over the next few weeks to challenge 106.35 monthly support? Alright traders, moving on to the pound yen. Now declined last week, but managed to close above weekly support 184.00. That's the level to watch at the start of the week. Does 184.00 hold a support for a move higher this week, or does price break below? Does it become resistance for a move lower? Price could break either way this week, so watch 184.00. Does it act as support or become new resistance? Alright traders, last pair to review for the weekend. Pound dollar heavily declined Thursday, Friday, closing below the 126.00 level and below this daily support level at 125.91. Did come down and test 125.44 daily support. Can we move below that level this week? Now we may need to cycle back up. We could come back up this week to 126.20. That was a strong level of support. Does that now become resistance then for a further decline this week to move below 125.44? Targeting move deeper down the range towards monthly support at 124.48. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.